Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Daisy. I'm very excited because today I have an unboxing and review of my new PYDLIFE flat heat press machine. I'm going to unbox it so you see its design, and also I'm going to be pressing several items so you see how it works. Let's unbox it. If you are planning to start your personalization business and are looking to purchase a heat press machine that is functional, affordable, and compact, you will love this video. This heat press machine is perfect to personalize with iron-on, sublimation, DTF, screen printing, etc. and on a variety of items such as t-shirts, tote bags, wood, ceramic, aluminum, and more. The working area of this press is 9 by 12 inches. It has a knob to adjust the pressure and a good size screen to easily adjust the time and temperature. In a little bit, I'm going to show you how to adjust the time and temperature. I love the design of this new PYDLIFE heat press machine. I love how compact it is. It won't use much space on your craft room. I also love that it's heavy, therefore it doesn't move when pressing. It comes with a thick and resistant heat mat. This is an example of the pressing area. This is a 9 by 12 inches sublimation. With the knob on top, you can easily adjust the pressure depending on the item that you are going to press. And this is the screen to set up the time and temperature. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the time and temperature. Press set once to set up the temperature. Use the arrows to adjust the desired temperature. Then press on set to adjust the time, always using the arrows. When you finish, click on set again and ready. The machine will start preheating. I'm going to start pressing some sublimation designs on wood, and I'm going to press those at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 120 seconds. And this is the knob to adjust the pressure. I recommend you to adjust the pressure before preheating the heat press. I'm going to press 4 items to show you how it works. I'm going to press 2 sublimation designs, 1 iron-on design, and 1 DTF design. I'm going to start pressing the sublimation designs on wood. If you would like to learn more about sublimation, iron-on, or DTF printing, I invite you to look for my tutorials on my channel. I'm going to start pressing this design on this wooden circle. I'm going to cut around the design to make it easy. Then I'm going to place it on top of the circle. This wooden circle is special for sublimation. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. Now I'm going to align the design and I'm going to secure it with heat-resistant tape. I'm going to place a piece of butcher paper on top of the heating mat. Then I'm going to place the wooden circle. And before pressing, I'm going to place another piece of butcher paper on top of the design. And I'm going to press it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 120 seconds. And it's ready. We're going to reveal the design. Let's see how it looks. It's gorgeous. Look at those colors. It's beautiful. So this is the first project pressed using the new PYDLIFE heat press machine. I love it. Here I'm just going to put jute twine, and we already have a decoration for the wall for Mother's Day. Now I'm going to press this pickleboard paddle. I'm going to place the design, and then I'm going to secure it with heat resistant tape and press it at the same temperature we pressed the first item, 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 120 seconds. I didn't adjust the pressure for this item before preheating the press, so I'm going to do it right now. And it's ready. Let's see how it worked. It's beautiful. I like it. As you can see, this new PYDLIFE heat press machine can press on hard surfaces. Now I'm going to press an iron-on design on a tote bag. This is Canva fabric. I'm going to align the design on the bag, and then I'm going to place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. I don't know why the numbers on the screen don't show on the camera, but the machine is on and this is ready. I'm going to let it cool down and then remove the transparent film. This is glitter iron-on. It's beautiful. As you can see, you can also use it to press iron-on designs. And this is DTF printing that I have already pressed. Next, I'm going to show you how to press a DTF design using this new heat press machine. I'm going to customize this t-shirt with this DTF design. If you would like to learn more about DTF printings, I invite you to look for my previous tutorial. Align the design on the t-shirt, secure it with heat-resistant tape, place it on the heat press, and before pressing, place a piece of butcher paper on top. And the DTF is going to be pressed at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. Let's reveal the design. And it's beautiful. The advantages of DTF printings is that you can customize any type of fabric and on any color. For example, this is a cotton t-shirt and the tote bag is on Canva fabric, and as you can see, the printing looks like it's part of the fabric. For example, on one side has DTF and on the other side has glitter iron-on. I'm already customizing Easter bags. We can customize a variety of items using the new PYDLIFE heat press machine. I'm going to link the new PYDLIFE heat press machine and all the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I hope you have enjoyed the ultimate unboxing, review, and tutorial of the new PYDLIFE heat press machine. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, happy crafting!